Ministério do Negócio Estrangeiro Singapura halou encontro bilateral com o Ministério do Negócio Estrangeiro na Kooperasaun.
Segunda-feira, Loran Ruanulu Resinhat, Fulan Julho, Ministro do Negócio Estrangeiro Singapura, Hasoru Malu, o Ministro do Negócio Estrangeiro na Kooperasaun Timor-Leste, e a salão reunião VIP Mnek Dili. Ministro do Negócio Estrangeiro na Kooperasaun, Bendito dos Santos Freitas informa, o visita Ministro do Negócio Estrangeiro Singapura Niang, mai Timor-Leste sinal importante ida, onde reforça a cooperação bilateral entre a nação ruane Niang. E a sormuto colhia liu Konaba cooperação bilateral entre a nação Timor-Leste e Singapura e a construção do Estado Niang necessidade de beliga a preparação adereba à ASEAN.
Ministério dos Negócios Estrangeiros e Cooperação de Timor-Leste, Ministro dos Negócios Estrangeiros Singapura Niang, o Sr. Vivian, mais visita nessa sinal importante para reforço cooperação bilateral entre países de Singapura e Timor-Leste. Deve se acolher assuntos para que quando vai ter cooperação, vai atuar construção do Estado Unido, necessidades de ver que relaciona quando vai ter preparação para futuras adesões à ASEAN, o desafio todo deve que está Hasoru e Singapura, Sr. Ministro dos Negócios Estrangeiros, e temos declaração, compromissos a apoio para Timor-Leste, livros de capacitação, formação de competências, habilidades profissionais, vai ter elementos quando há verão de finona entre nível ministerial, a tua integra também na barra e da que é importante agora para o tempo para Sr. Ministro. Thank you.
Enquanto o Ministro do Negócio Estrangeiro Singapura, Vivian Balakrishnan Hatete, o visita irane, a cara continua a força atividade econômica no Singapura nessa nação segundo parceiro comercial exportação Niang.
Here on my first official visit to Timor-Leste, and I just realized that it's the 24th day which the new government has been in office since the very successful parliamentary election. And I must say, you've been very, very busy. I must have seen you at least 4 or 5 times in the last 3 or 4 days. So I can assure the people of Timor-Leste that the new government is working very, very hard. We've had good discussions in these meetings that we've had on a whole range of issues, bilateral as well as multilateral, and of course for ASEAN, which I know remains a priority for Timor-Leste. But it's worth reflecting that our friendship between Singapore and Timor-Leste, in fact, goes back all the way to the 70s, and then later on in 2002 with the restoration of your independence. And Singapore was one of the first countries, in fact, to contribute to peacekeeping operations in Timor-Leste. And over the course of our involvement between 1999 to 2012, the Singapore Armed Forces contributed over 1,000 personnel, including medical teams and combat peacekeepers, as well as equipment like landing ship tanks and helicopters. The Singapore Police Force also sent officers to Timor-Leste as part of the UN civilian police contingent, and we helped, I believe, to set up the East Timor Police Service. So I've taken some time to go through these points so that you understand that the relationship is an older, established relationship based on friendship and mutual respect. Our ties continue to strengthen, and now especially we're looking at economic as well. Singapore was Timor-Leste's second largest trading partner and export destination in 2021. Singapore is also a major foreign investor in Timor-Leste. It's a vote of confidence in your country, with companies investing in areas including hospitality and real estate. And this reflects Timor-Leste's very real economic potential, and particularly with having so many young people, hungry and ready to go, and dynamic, energetic and ready to go.
Reportagem Febriana dos Santos, Serli Araújo, Televisão Timor Post. Janela Informação by Emma Roto. Atual informação atual dia Gliu, que tahaluha. Hanehan botão subscribe, like, halo comentário, no faz botão ba mídia social hotu.